When it comes to maintaining and servicing concrete highways, the tendency for highways authorities for many years has been to overlay the existing concrete with thin bitumen-based surface treatments. Over time, though, these micro-servicings can delaminate and prematurely fail, typically starting at the movement or structurally weak points in the underlying concrete pavements. This results in an uneven road surface, unsightly appearance, and in many cases, a further weakened structure. As highway budgets and maintenance practices are reviewed, there's an increasing demand for longer-lasting and more environmentally sustainable solutions, capable of extending pavement life, including existing hard-wearing and durable concrete carriageways. Through innovation and investment in the latest technology, Roadtechs and Power Plane have developed an alternative approach to concrete pavement maintenance. In this example, we're working closely with Surrey Highways to rehabilitate existing concrete carriageways, predominantly in residential areas. The repair process involves removal of the existing thin surface treatment and retexturing of the underlying concrete pavement by fine milling. The machine's drums fitted with diamond-tipped picks, which are very hard-wearing and therefore provide a more consistent textured finish. The biggest advantage, which is unique to Power Plane's fine milling retexturing treatment, is the use of our multiplex system. Incorporating our latest developments in technology, we integrate laser leveling, ultrasonic sensors, and PTS. The result of this is that automatically and with great accuracy, the road can be reprofiled and retextured with one pass. This helps to take any peaks and troughs out of the surface and leads to much better road alignment for the end user. Following the removal of these surface coarse treatments via the fine milling process really highlights the texture and profile of the exposed concrete surface. The pavement is then examined, and any areas of potential weakness and concern are treated by Roadtechs with their Techcrete repair material. Techcrete is a concrete repair innovation. Designed and manufactured in-house by Roadtechs, it offers a quick installation process which provides a durable, cost-effective solution. The majority of repairs are planed out to form a recess, typically 20 mm to 50 mm in depth, which is followed by sweeping. A thermal lance cleans and dries the recess and surrounding area. A suitable primer is then applied via a brush or spray system, which is then followed up with the installation of the Techcrete material. Techcrete's provided in low melt bags, which forms part of the repair material, thereby reducing packaging waste. The material is heated to and then installed at between 170 and 220 degrees centigrade. The mixed Techcrete compounds decanted from the material heater units via bucket and poured into the repair directly, all via a suitably sized installation tool. It's then levelled and dressed off with a high PSV aggregate, which can be colour graded to provide a close match to the surrounding carriageway. Techcrete is very flexible, which enables the material to absorb a range of movements associated with concrete bay construction. It has excellent adhesion and compressive resistance to trafficking when cured, which typically takes 30 to 40 minutes. Roadtechs have worked exclusively with Power Plane, delivering concrete pavement rehabilitation on both local authority and strategic road networks throughout the United Kingdom. This is our third year working with Surrey Highways on this process. Surrey have been forward-thinking as a client and are involved in the process at all stages. The highways we've treated to date have been micro-profiled as well as retextured. The areas of previous failure and potential weakness have been treated to prevent further damage and provide an excellent, hard-wearing and durable running surface. The process has rehabilitated the concrete with the intention of extending the carriageway life for many years into the future.